Guys, I have two gifts for you.
Oh my god!
Number 1. I'm going to start a new series for beginners in which you will learn from really scratch and that series contain each and every basic of Unity.
Nice.
Number 2. In the next video I will give you a asset which will be free for you, and by using that asset you will be able to enter into the car and exit from the car, and that asset will contain AI of persons will be walk on the road, and that asset contain much more things. If you want to support me financially, because you know my channel is not monetized yet, and if you want to support me financially, then you can support me on Patreon, and I will be really thankful to you for this if you will support me on Patreon. And you can see right now my wallet condition is alright guys, so we have to make a mini map over here, because here we will make another UI. So I'm going to make a mini map over here, so I will go to canvas and just right click over here and create UI and image. This will be background of our mini map, and I'm going to drag and drop it over here and make it big. I think it is too big, so I have to make it a little bit small, and let's make it a little small. I think we should change the background color. As you can see, white color is not looking good, so I'm going to change the background color to, let's rename it first. I'm going to rename it to background minimap. Okay, let's change the background color. I'm going to make it black, and I think it should be transparent also. So here I'm going to make it a little bit transparent. Inside here we will make a mini map, so I will duplicate it and drag it, drop it over here, and I'm going to change the color to white and make it a little bit small. So as you can see, it have a border which is looking nice. Alright guys, so it is time to make a render texture, and render texture is a very important thing for our mini map. Without render texture we can't make a minimap. So I make a render texture and rename it to minimap. So it is time to make a camera. I think we should make a camera inside the player. Let me show you guys how it works. Let's make a camera. So right click, create a camera, and drag and drop it over here, and let's change it to 90 as move it up. Okay, here. So I'm going to change its name to minicam, and I want to the output of this camera will be show on minimap. As you can see, it is a output texture, so we will drag and drop the render texture into the output texture. The output of camera will be shown in output texture, so I'm going to drag and drop it over here, and as you can see the camera is disabled and our other camera is enabled. So it is time to make a minimap. It's time to, let's remove it from here and search for raw image. Okay, and drag and drop your texture into here. Alright, as you can see, it is looking very awesome and it is working fine. And you can change its position from here. And I think 60 is looking cool. I'm going to play the game right now and let's see how it looks like. And as you can see, it is looking really cool, but it is something simple. I will improve this mini map in the next video. And so make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And you know we have started a GTA series in which you will learn everything of GTA. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you enjoy the video.